Before I introduce this paper, I need to say something because back to 2011, when I had a job talk in Seoul Regional, this measuring the ion concentration profile inside the ion depletion zone was my number one research plan. And by this paper, I did it. So it is actually very meaningful to myself. So this paper was published in Sensors and Actuator B. So let me introduce the concept of this paper. So first we fabricate a ion selective probe to measure this the electric potential along with this microchannel. So this sky blue one is microchannel. So to introduce this ion selective membrane in the middle or somewhere, then the charges, the ion transfer is can be done in between this reservoir, probing reservoir and this microfluidic channel, but applying zero current, meaning that the applying V plus here, and if we have a ground here and there, then probably the current will go through this ion selective membrane. But applying, actually the SMU automatically choose its value to block the leakage current through this ion selective membrane so that the potential between here and there must be the electric current through this here to there must be zero. Then the SMU can automatically write the data of the VM so that that VM is the same as this V star. So the equivalent circuit model is here. So by using this ion selective membrane probe, in short form is ISM probe, is very useful because it can measure the bulk concentration up to some gigaohm range, and also the cutoff frequency is very high, so that we can measure some situation where the electric field is dynamically changed, as well as the local conductivity is dynamically changed, which is very good for measuring the concentration variation inside this ion concentration polarization zone. Furthermore, this page shows the the potential measurement by using the metal probe and this patterned ISM. As you can see here, noise and offset is very not good, not good in the metal electrode, because usually we have some capacitive EDL on the electrode, as well as must be some redox reaction on top of this metal electrode. But however, by using this ion selective membrane probe, then we can have a small noise, almost zero offset. So because we don't have any capacitive something, EDL something, redox reaction something, we don't have it. So it's very good for measuring the dynamic concentration changes inside ion depletion zone. So using this one, the first demonstration is uh, the fabricating the ISM probe 2, number one and number two, and then we can measure the VM1 and VM2, and then subtract these two value. Then we can have a local information in between this VM1 and VM2. So to uh, the demonstration is the effect, observing the effect of the fluorescent dye. Because this lead triangle use only electrolyte, and then we don't have any this kind of imaging. So that's why we add very small amount of the dye like Alexa Fluoro 488, some concentration, but above certain threshold concentration, this measurement is largely deviate from the original KCl solution. And also we can match this fluorescent image with this one, the conductivity drop, the in operando. So by using this one, we go for one step further to make one the VM1 use as this the Neptune nanopore membrane for the ICP initiation, and then we fabricate one more. So we have a total three the ISM probe, and then we can have something is moving from region 1 and region 2 and region 3. So kind of the dynamic change, we can measure the dynamic change. So the region 1 is a strong depletion is occurred in here. So that's why the in region 1 graph is drop sharply and maintain its value. But in region 2 and region 3, there is something strange thing has happened. So this drop, the concentration drop to about 60% of the C0. So we can draw this kind of figure. And also the Professor Alimani from Stanford University, he helped me to calculate this zero point 0.6 Seeberg condition by using the analytical solution. So you can find the more details in this Sensors and Actuator B paper, and I hope you enjoy it. And the final comment that I can give you is that I'm very proud to complete my mission that I talked about 15 years ago. Thank you very much.